Hi, it's a question of CAT 2018 slot 2. Now the inequality is given here, which is greater than 0. Fine. Okay, let's assume that this is not an inequality, it's an equation. It's a cubic equation. So can we find the values of n for which this part will become equal to 0? Now we know that how do we arrange a cubic equation? If you remember that, we write it like this: x cube minus sum of the roots alpha, beta, gamma into x square. Then we have plus alpha into gamma plus beta into gamma into x. And the last would be minus alpha into beta into gamma. So if you start comparing this equation with the given format, you can say that this 11 should be the sum of roots and this 28 has to be the product of roots. So let's factorize this 28. 28 can be written as 2 into 7 into 2. Three parts are there. And we know that the sum of roots is what? Positive, and the product is also positive. So in that case, either all three of them will be what? Positive. Now this will match or not. Let's see. 2 plus 2 plus 7. Is it 11? Yes. 2 into 2 into 7. Is it 28? Yes. Let's cross check this one. This has to be 32. Now 2 into 2 plus 2 into 7 plus 2 into 7. What do we get here? 14, 14, 28 plus 4, 32. Yes, it will match. What does it mean? These are the values, 2, 2 and 7 are the values where this whole part will become equal to 0. But you want it to be what? Greater than 0. So let's draw the critical points here. X equal to 2 is one of the roots and the other one would be 7. Now we know that if we divide the whole number line into three parts, this part will give you the positive value, this part will give you what? Negative, and this will give you positive. Had it been an equation, I would have said that n should lie in the interval minus infinity to 2, and the other one would be what? 7 to infinity, where 7 is not included, 2 is not included. Yes or no? So your answer would be what? 7 to infinity, this part will always be positive. And you're looking for what? The smallest integer n, such that n cube minus 11n square plus 32n minus 28 has to be what? Greater than 0. You want it to be greater than 0. So this is the possible answer: minus infinity 2 and 7 to infinity. And we're looking for the smallest integer. So if you look at the range, the smallest would be what? Minus infinity. But let's cross check the values of this interval. Let's take x equal to n equal to 1 here. When you put n equal to 1 here, this whole part will become negative, and we're looking for a positive value. So this will not satisfy. Fine. So let's look at this reason: 7 to infinity, and we're looking for the smallest integer. Here 7 is not included. So any value, any integer greater than 7 would be what? 8. So any value greater than 7 will satisfy this inequality, and we're looking for the smallest integer. So answer has to be 8.